Alright, crypto fam, brace yourselves. The spotlight is back on XRP, and we're not just talking about little pumps. We're talking about a potential launchpad to a brand new all-time high and that legendary $5 target. What's fueling this fire? Think insights from top traders shaking up the SEC, and signals so bullish they'll make your head spin. Are you ready to ride this wave? What is going on, you incredible crypto investors? Welcome back to Goldrush Crypto Daily, the place where we bring you the crypto news with the energy it deserves. I'm your host, Goldrush, and today we are diving into some seriously electrifying news about XRP. After a bit of sideways action, the market is turning bullish, and everything from technical charts to regulatory shifts is pointing towards a potential massive surge for our favorite token. Get ready to feel unbelievably bullish. Look, if you're feeling this energy and you want to be part of the crypto fam that gets the real lowdown on what's moving the market, you have to join us. Smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell right now. Don't be late to the party. Seriously, hit it. Done. Awesome. Let's get into this gold. Alright, let's dive into why XRP is looking so incredibly bullish right now. The market is painting a seriously positive picture for our favorite token. We've seen a significant comeback for XRP recently, rising over 33% in the past 2 weeks alone. After a prolonged consolidation phase, this token is staging a serious rally. 33% rise in 2 weeks? Comeback kit alert. Consolidation is over, it's go time. XRP recently pierced the $2.20 resistance level. Guys, that was a key barrier that kept price action suppressed for weeks. Breaking that is a massive bullish signal that's reviving optimism everywhere. Piercing that 2.20 resistance, that barrier is gone. This is the kind of breakout that gets chart watchers hyped. Optimism levels off the charts. Some seasoned traders out there, the ones who accurately called XRP's surge from 50 cents not too long ago, are calling XRP one of the most interesting charts out there right now. Top traders are watching, calling XRP's chart one of the most interesting. That's huge validation from the people who know the game. They're suggesting XRP is on the verge of another major breakout. The price is holding strong support around the $2 level, and there's a key resistance at $2.72. Breaking beyond that range, well, that opens the door to retesting and even surpassing XRP's previous all-time high of $3.40. Holding $2 support, 2.72 resistance is next. Break that range and it's clear skies to the previous all-time high of $3.40. My personal opinion, get ready for fireworks when we hit that level. What's truly powering this bull story is the fresh optimism circulating about the potential approval of spot cryptocurrency ETFs here in the United States. We're talking about 72 different altcoin ETF applications under consideration by the SEC, and XRP is dominating the headlines. ETF momentum is real. 72 altcoin ETF applications. XRP is front and center because of its proven liquidity and serious institutional demand. Institutions want a piece of the XRP pie, and ETFs are the perfect way for them to get it. Regulatory clarity and ETF approval could be the perfect 1-2 punch for XRP. We're seeing investor confidence accumulating, and if those ETF approvals materialize, we could see XRP finally realizing its massive institutional potential. Perfect 1-2 punch. Regulatory clarity first, then bam, ETF approval. That's the combo that unlocks everything. Institutional potential, it's about to be unleashed. Even analysts who specialize in ETFs are hinting that XRP is among the top contenders, likely to benefit from the SEC's evolving stance under its new leadership. Even the ETF experts are pointing to XRP, top contender status. The SEC has new leadership, a more crypto-friendly regulator is in charge, and that's having a notable impact on how people view XRP's regulatory future. This is a major positive shift. Beyond just price and regulations, XRP's on-chain metrics are showing robust growth. We've seen active addresses on the Ripple ledger spike by over 67% in just 1 week. On-chain signals are screaming bullish. Active addresses spiking by 67.5% in 1 week. Renewed user engagement, rising transaction volume. Historically, these kinds of spikes precede substantial price moves. The network is getting active, and price usually follows. And get this, XRP's liquidity, measured by 1% market depth, actually surpasses that of both Solana and Cardano. That's huge for institutional investors and potential ETF issuers. XRP is more liquid than Solana and Cardano? Wow, that's a vital metric. Institutions care about liquidity, and XRP is proving it's ready for the big leagues. This positions XRP incredibly well for those potential ETFs. Even the CEO of Ripple himself has been vocal about the inevitability of an XRP ETF. He's confident that institutional products centered on Ripple could soon become a reality. The CEO knows it, an XRP ETF is inevitable. This isn't just speculation from us. The leadership at Ripple is reinforcing the belief that institutional products are becoming a reality. Now, of course, there are always risks. We're battling resistance, And there's always talk of sell the news scenarios. Technically, we need a decisive close above $2.30 to confirm that bullish continuation. Acknowledging the risks. Gotta keep it real. Resistance is there, sell the news is a thing. We need that decisive close above 2.30. But, failing to breach resistance would mean a temporary pullback to support, maybe around $1.95. That would be a little annoying, but the overall picture is so much bigger. While short-term targets are looking good, around the $3 to $4 range, longer-term predictions are even more ambitious. We're talking analysts maintaining $5 targets for 2025, and some even speculating $10 or more by the end of the decade. Short-term, looking like $3 to $4. But the long-term, $5 by 2025, $10 or more by the end of the decade. Assuming regulatory wins and broader adoption, which, based on everything else we're seeing, is looking incredibly promising, the potential upside is astronomical. XRP has proven its resilience, even during that crazy lawsuit. It continues to assert its role as a leading altcoin, building partnerships and working on remittance solutions. Resilience is the name of the game. XRP fought through the lawsuit and is still standing tall as a leading altcoin. Building, growing, expanding its utility, this project is built to last. The SEC getting closer to ETF decisions, institutional sentiment warming, and XRP's technical and on-chain metrics strengthening. The stage is absolutely set for a major move. XRP is one of the most compelling crypto assets to watch right now. The stage is set. SEC decisions, warming institutional sentiment, technicals and on-chain strengthening. XRP is the most compelling crypto asset to watch. Period. Whether we surge to $5 or climb to new record highs, one thing is crystal clear. XRP is back in the headlines, and this time the bullish case has stronger legs to stand on. Back in the headlines, bullish case has stronger legs. It's not just internet chatter, the data, the fundamentals, the regulatory environment, and the institutional interest are all lining up to support this move. And that, crypto fam, is why the excitement around XRP is reaching fever pitch. Every signal we're looking at is pointing towards one incredible possibility. Seriously, think about the convergence of these factors. You've got the technical charts looking absolutely fantastic, showing clear bullish patterns and targets. You've got the on-chain data confirming a massive surge in activity and proving XRP's impressive liquidity. Add to that the game-changing shift in the regulatory landscape and the very real possibility of major ETF approvals, bringing in tidal waves of institutional capital. This is not just a few things going right. This is a perfect storm of bullishness that could propel XRP past its all-time high and towards those $5 and even double-digit targets. So there you have it, crypto fam. XRP is sitting on a massive potential launchpad. Bullish technicals, screaming on-chain data, game-changing regulatory shifts, ETF speculation, and the confidence of top traders. The potential for a surge to $5 and new all-time highs is looking more real than ever. What are your thoughts on XRP's potential? Are you feeling the bullish energy? Let me know in the comments below. What price target are you eyeing? Don't forget to smash that like button if you're hyped about XRP, share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our high-energy bullish breakdowns. Thanks for tuning in to Goldrush Crypto Daily. It means the world to me. Go check out some of our other videos on the channel for more golden crypto insights. Stay bullish, stay focused, and peace out. Disclaimer. Hey everyone, just a super important reminder. This is Goldrush Crypto Daily, and everything shared here is for informational and entertainment purposes only. I'm incredibly bullish on crypto, but this is absolutely not financial advice. The crypto market is wild and unpredictable, so you should always do your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and be aware of the risks involved. Stay safe out there, and keep that bullish mind.